John?
Got some gabagool.
John?
So then I woke up the next day.
First off...
Take your fucking sorries and stick them in your ass. He tried to talk, he couldn't even say his last
I think
word.
that's enough.
Philly, why don't you go have a drink?
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn...
Shouldn't even have been here. What do you want, John? What do you want me to say?
I want your cousin.
I don't know where he is.
Nobody does.
Maybe
What, I gotta stand here being threatened now?
All right, Chrissy. All right.
Nobody's making threats.
You either deliver that prick to my door, or I will rain semen down on you and your family.
You fucking jizz.
I want you